Hi Gus, would you guys like to go for a walk in the woods? You might see some cougars, bobcats, foxes, bears, deer, coyotes. Millie's barking. She's got the most shrill. Millie has the most shrill, piercing bark. You almost need like hearing protection when you're around her when she's barking. Gus knows the way. Gus knows the way. La di da 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 da. Hi Blue. Blue, you're so proud. I gotta grab the splitter and the leash, Blue. I left the splitter and the leash right there. Gonna hear really still. Go ahead, go catch your father. Blue, the most amazing dog I've ever. Don't tell his daddy I said this. But Blue is outrageously amazing. I handpicked Gus from one of the best, actually, he's the most beautiful Australian Shepherd, Blue Merle in the whole world, and highly intelligent. Thinks kind of highly of himself too, but he doesn't really have an ego, he just has self-confidence. He knows he's special. He's been told by people dozens and dozens of times when he's in my GMC in the city or whatever, they go, wow, you're beautiful, so he expects it. Puts his paw up there, then he puts his head up there, and he goes, aren't you going to look at me? When I'm driving with him in one of my trucks. But Blue, he's like Gus's little clone. Even his right eye is even blue. His name is spelled B-L-E-W, but he is so coordinated. It's like out beyond most people's comprehension, actually. He bounds over those fallen trees like a deer, and he's very fast in the woods. Blue is very fast in the woods. Hi Blue, thanks for coming back so many times, Blue, checking on me. Where'd your daddy go?